Right, okay, so here's my third video for this cook. Here is the final meal. Let's have a taste, see how this is. Very chickpea. I put a lot of chickpeas in. Put a tin full of chickpeas and all the liquid. It's maybe a bit liquidy, but bar a little bit of stock cube that I put in, just to give it a bit more of a soupy flavour. I only put the only liquid in was the liquid from the veg, the liquid from the can of chickpeas, and sort of liquid from the sauce. Yeah, so that might be good for, say, 5 to 8 meals. And last time I did this, it cost me about 7p, maybe 8p for the gas to cook. So because there's so many things in it, it's hard to work out how much that works out per dish. But I would reckon about 50p. Might be a bit less, might be a bit more, but 50p for that, I'm happy with that. Okay, come back. I'll do these more regularly. If you want the recipe, let me know and I'll write you one.